Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology, the DSV A3 XP600 DTF printer with oven. This incredible machine is packed with innovative features that are going to take your printing game to the next level. From its lightning-fast print head to its smart ink systems, this printer is designed to make your life easier and your prints more vibrant than ever. So, let's dive in and see what makes this printer so special. First off, let's talk about the 2-year ink supply that comes with your printer purchase. Yes, you heard that right, a 2-year supply of ink, including 5 bottles of 250 milliliters each and 500 g of powder. This is a huge cost savings for anyone who prints regularly, and the best part is, you'll get a new set every 2 months, and you only need to cover the shipping. This means you can focus on creating amazing prints without worrying about running out of ink. Plus, with the cost of ink being one of the biggest expenses for printers, this 2-year supply is a huge perk that will save you money in the long run. Another feature that really stands out on this printer is its smart 4.5-inch touchscreen and upgraded mainboard. The touchscreen makes it easy to operate the printer, with intuitive controls that let you navigate and adjust settings with ease. The upgraded mainboard is also a major improvement, providing stable and error-free printing with less material waste. This means you can print with confidence, knowing that your prints will turn out perfectly every time. The touchscreen also gives you access to a wide range of settings and options, allowing you to fine-tune your prints to get the exact results you want. Now, let's talk about the print head, which is truly one of the most impressive features of this printer. The XP600 print head is lightning fast and reliable, completing an A3-sized print in just 6 minutes and producing up to 10 high-quality prints per hour. This is perfect for busy shops and tight deadlines, where every minute counts. The print head is also designed to deliver consistent, vibrant colors, with a wide range of ink options to choose from. Whether you're printing photos, artwork, or promotional materials, this print head is capable of producing professional quality results that will blow you away. The smart ink systems on this printer are also worth mentioning, as they make printing easier and more effortless than ever. The automatic ink suction and waste ink reset functions ensure uninterrupted printing, while the white ink circulation and stirring systems reduce print head clogs and deliver consistent, vibrant colors. This means you can print without worrying about clogs or interruptions, and the ink systems will take care of the rest. The smart ink systems also help to reduce waste and conserve ink, making this printer a more eco-friendly option. Finally, the newly upgraded software on this printer is safe and easy to use, with a virus-free design that ensures seamless operation. The software is compatible only with Windows systems, providing a smooth and secure printing experience. With this software, you'll be able to print with confidence, knowing that your printer is protected from viruses and other malware. The software also provides a range of tools and options for customizing your prints, from color correction to layout adjustments. In conclusion, the DSV A3 XP600 DTF printer with oven is an incredible machine that is packed with innovative features and designed to make your printing life easier. From its lightning-fast print head to its smart ink systems, this printer is a game-changer for anyone who prints regularly. Whether you're a professional printer or just starting out, this printer is sure to impress. So, if you're looking to take your printing to the next level, be sure to check out the DSV A3 XP600 DTF printer with oven. Find the link in the description below to learn more and get your hands on this amazing printer. Don't miss out on this opportunity to revolutionize your printing and take your creativity to new heights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.